All right, so we've got the arrow setup, the hunting arrow setup for 2025. And I wanted to just go in a little more detail, better than what I did in the actual build itself. So what we're running is 4-fletch, 2¼ inch vanes, and these are by boning, a boning wrap, and you don't have to run a wrap, but I like to run a wrap. First of all, it's pretty. Second of all, it really just helps those fletchings just stick better with that glue. Glue just seems to work better, and overall just gives you a cleaner, more durable look. I'm also running these lighted nocks from Amazon. Very cheap, but they work well. So you can see they have the button instead of the little hole where you have to stick a screwdriver in to turn them off, so they're a lot easier to use, and I just like them quite a bit. Arrow itself are these gold tip Hunter XTs in 300 spine, so really big fan of these. They're fairly cheap for a dozen arrows. On Amazon, you can get them for $94.99 per dozen, which is not bad at all. Of course, that is bare shaft, so keep that in mind. Overall, nice arrow. Very durable, I've found. And they're very straight, fly very true. Overall, just a good, budget-friendly, yet effective arrow. Now up on the business end here, I'm going to be running 2 different broadheads this year. I have a fixed blade. This is an elite fixed blade broadhead, 100 grains. And then the insert here, we're running a 50 grain brass insert, just to get a little bit more FOC, just because I'm really looking for a heavier arrow to really punch through and just cause a lot of damage. I'm not necessarily looking for speed. I'm more so looking for that kinetic energy. The second broadhead I'm going to be using is this Rage, and you can see it's a mechanical broadhead. Reason behind having 2 of these is I just wanted something that I was a little more confident in, that would be able to reach out and touch something. You know, if I really felt like I wanted to take a 50 or 60 yard shot at something, I'm going to pick up this. Anything closer, we're going to go with the fixed blade. Now with that being said, we're going to go ahead and weigh these. That's our weight there at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that, but it's 486 grains for this setup. This one we're looking at 483.6. So just a little bit different, but generally basically about the same. So we'll average right around 485 grains. So that's going to be my arrow setup for hunting season this year. Obviously going after whitetail, being in Ohio. We might also go for some fall turkey. Ohio does have a fall turkey season. So we're going to try to get a turkey, but primary target is whitetail. Anyways,